Today we're gonna do my cabinet extension of the Trace Elliot, a rare version of the Trace Elliot 3x12 that I've got here. I stripped it all, sand it all up, patch every holes like this, patch all the holes. I'm waiting on my Tolex to go on that, which is gonna be a video that I'm gonna do later when I receive it. So right now, this is going to be the top of the cabinet, and I'm going to have another one underneath that thing that looks like this, like 33.5 tall, going underneath, and it's going to be a 15-inch Sherwin Vega 6-ohm speaker. I believe it's 250 watts. So it's going to be joined together, same width, but a little taller with the amp on top, which I've got over there. There's a big hole in the back, big freaking hole cut with 4 holes like this, and then cut with a sawzall or whatever. So it was all crooked, so I got it all finished. When we played music on that, you'd see the 2 panels going like this, vibrating like hell. So now it's all solid with the backing inside, glue it and stay nailed, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So let's start measuring my piece of wood here, so I could show you exactly what's going on. Okay, now that all my pieces are cut, I'll try to assemble that, put that, all those things together. So cross the fingers, see if it's all gonna fit like a glove. I fixed the joints, the joint fingers. So now they're sticking out just right. Square 90. So I marked up in the bottom where I have the cut to mimic this indentation here, like this. Now I'm gonna cut these pieces that they come over here like this. And my triangle is gonna come like a bit like this there. That's not the right piece there, but it's gonna come like this on an angle. Now this is cut. I can take my triangle out, and like this, we'll see if this fits in the hole. So, okay, now that I got my angle, I got no more gap over there on top. If you can see, I got my angle on the top there, so my point's gonna come down there somewhere. I've got an angle in here, 22 degrees, 0.1 exactly. How I did that, just did a makeshift 22 degree angle. So I've cut off this little bit from the pieces there, because it was square, so I cut it off to a degree I wanted to. So anyway, so it'll look like this. I've glued and nailed everything in place. This that was the fuck up I did. My triangle was coming like this, so I fixed it. It's all smooth now. Created some backup support for the speaker, and so is this one here out of the MDF piece that I had. I just did a couple slots, and this is gonna slide like this in that triangle right there with glue in the slot, and it's gonna slide all the way back down here, so it's not gonna vibrate too much and make some weird noise. Alright, my triangle is finally cut. Glued up with PL glue. My T-nuts are in. I got my partner here checking if I make good work. Yeah, Luna? Oui. Okay, now my cabinet's upside down, but just to show you the bracing inside. So it's gonna stop vibrating like this to the back over there. And the other one that was talking about inside, I don't know if we can see it, but here we go. That's a little better. So that's the bracing in the bottom with a hole saw, and I cut from the side of the hole like this, so it's not touching everywhere, but at least that's what it looks like once it's all dried and clamped and nailed. Ready to do the little finishing touches around the corners, and voila! Okay, after a half hour of sanding, I got it just enough right. I rectified all of my nooks and crannies that I gotta fix a little bit here, but overall maybe a little bit excuse me, a little bit here that I could sand a little bit more, but overall everything. See here, that was the first mistake when I did the finger joint, when I accidentally didn't screw up the micro adjustment and it went loose on me. So that's why there's gaps, but it's almost a good thing because now I gotta fill that with CA glue, all the little gaps in there, and a little bit of filler here and there, and I'll be able to sand one more time.